Today, we're going to learn about someone who isn't very well known by many people. The first black female comic artist. She was born Zelda Maven Jackson in Pittsburgh in the early 1900s, but her professional name and her married name was Jackie Orms. She studied journalism and started as a proofreader at the black weekly newspaper in Pittsburgh called the Pittsburgh Courier. She began as a proofreader, but by 1937 through 38, she was producing a comic strip called Torchy Brown in Dixie to Harlem. It was the story of a young black teenager who left Mississippi and found fame and fortune singing and dancing in the Cotton Club. That wasn't such a far-fetched story because many young women did make money and achieve a little bit of fame performing at Harlem's Cotton Club. In 1952, Orms moved to Chicago, and there she began writing articles and briefly a social column for the Chicago Defender, a well-known black newspaper. But by August of 1945, she was back with the Courier and began a one-panel cartoon that ran for 11 years called Patty Jo and Ginger. Patty Jo was a little girl, and she made her own comments and observations to her sister. This panel also included some of her grown-up pin-up adult women with figure and fashion mannequins of beautiful clothes and stylish appearances. In 1947, she had a contract. It only lasted 2 years, but was long enough for her to produce the Patty Jo dolls with the Terry Lee Doll Company. The Patty Jo doll was unique because at that time, most of the dolls available that were black were either mammy or Topsy type dolls. The Patty Jo dolls looked like real little girls, real black little girls, and had upscale fashions. So, Jackie Orms was the first black female comic artist. Come back tomorrow for the last of our series in Black History Month stories.